Hi there, my name's Hasib and I'm currently in the second year of my undergrad here at the University of Manchester. Judging by my Monday, at 10 AM I have a meeting for my embedded systems project, and then at 12, which doesn't actually pop up, but I do have a PASS session or a peer assisted study session, followed by a lecture at 1, which lasts 2 hours, and then I've got a lab at 3. Okay, I've done my scheduling for the day and it's time to sleep before my 10 AM tomorrow morning, and I guess I'll see you when I wake up. And now it's time to get to uni, and today my transport of choice is by train. My meeting is on North Campus in the Sackville Street building, and so it'll take me about maybe 10 minutes. Let's go! Cool. This is North Campus. It's towards the top of Oxford Road and it's where the majority of my lectures and labs are. So behind me is Sackville Street building, where I've got my meeting. So wait right here, I'll be right back. Okay, so meeting equals concluded. I've got about an hour and a half before my PASS session, so I'm gonna go grab a quick lunch from Renault. So after my lunch, I have the PASS session, after which I've got a lecture for microelectronic components. And then it's time for my lab, and this one in particular is a computer-based one for VLSI design, and it's held in the Barnes-Wallis computer cluster, which is just over there. Which, fun fact, is only accessible by EEE students. So let's go have a look.
It's like...
So this is what the Barnes-Wallis computer cluster is like. It's a great place to come chill and do work, and the computers contain all of the software that I need, especially during first and second year. There's nothing that you need to purchase here. I'm back home and the time is around about 7 o'clock, and I'm gonna eat, a bit of chill time, and then time to sleep and do it all over again. I really hope you learned something from that, and hey, maybe I'll see you next year. Bye.